starring alokhu phuthu ngangekukhumbula ukudla kwasekhaya into that's another thing was you learn to appreciate izinto zasekhaya mawuso travelisha ukudla was the first thing ngayi observe ukuthi cha ngiyakhumbula nkosiyama amas ethu yabo bengazi nami nkosiyama ngafaka nje ku TikTok ngathi angibatshengise ubuso behind that voice edlalwa uRita kwi show le kuthiwa Onesipho nangu Rita Sarah Batman it's me ngiyadlala Sarah Batman was a woman from the 1600s was out of by
a black woman,
a khoi black woman owayemi kanje. So I was trying to tell a story sakhe because I think wonke umuntu oswazana regardless of race can relate somehow with story Sarah Batman, be it emotionally, physically, whatever. So I was angry advocatela. I love telling the stories that have no voice. It's only a fraction of me. But it's only a fraction of me as umqondo wami, as umoya wami, as all of me before you define me by just a fraction of who I am.
Asinibingelele ke siphinde sinamukele uhlelo inkondlo ziyaphilisa igama lami uNtokozo starring ngwakaZulu silapha ke eDUT Steve Biko Library ikhaya lethu le la sihlezi sishuthela khona sibonge support esithola njalo eDUT Library kobaba unjelo and thanks to Chayile Media, thanks to TZ Consulting uScotty umsebenzi onwenza abafethu mohle kakhulu abantu bayawuthanda sisawuyo kanjalo lento Women's Month ngoba ngangishilo ukuthi kulenyanga lena soqinisekisa ukuthi sikulandela abantu besifazane kulo mkhakha wethu aka arts abanohlonze asebesebenzile nabanye abasakhula from all levels so that we share ama journeys abo who they are and the arts le abaphila ngayo namhlanje ke futhi nginiphathele singe seyikhokho ke abafethu ngisazonitshela nisazosho ukuthi how kanti uye lo mase ngiveze ezinye indaba zakhe igama lakhe uAyanda wabanqimalo.
My body is mine to define, and my skin is many shades of brown. My face has my pimples, and my cheeks have my dimples. My chin is long and my ears are small. That's only a fraction of me. My body is heavy and my presence is strong. My wholeness is loud. Whew.
Oh, efethu uyabona sengiyazi kube kunjani emnezulweni yabonga lesikhathi lesimase kuthiwa abantu sebeyabizwa sengiyazi vele mina ngizobe ngiyanga ngiphethe list mina ngithi nayo uthi ubaba ngimcelele senginicafuna kanje ngithi ngiyazi kube kunjani mfethu kube kucula ngathi kuvulekile. Beautiful voice.
Thank you.
Wow. He. Yazi bethi anda mawucula ngazathi kudonsekani la ngaphakathi.
Ngiyabona.
Yanga abantu besifazane lento oqeda ukuyideliver lana ingikhumbuza there's a song recently released by Zawadi Yamungu.
Yes.
Mawubona inyawo zami
Mawubona inwele zami zincome ngoba zinhle. Beautiful song.
Ngikulalele nje sengikhumbula ubuhlobana bemsebenzini yo2 noku-appreciate ubuhle bomuntu wesifazane. And I believe ukuthi emhlabeni abantu ubuhle babudefine ngendlela ehlukene. How do you define beauty?
Nginibingelele nonke. Kamala Ayanda Ngqomo. How would I define beauty? Ngihlezi kushiwo ukuthi beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. It's a famous statement eshiwoyo. But for me, I think kuqala enhlizweni. Singakubona lokho ngaphandle. Kuhle kukanjani, we can define it ngendlela engafani. But inhliziyo mayipure, I think yinhle. And then yonke into esiyibona ngamehlo enyama kwama fruit ukuthi ngempela you have pure intentions as umuntu.
Uma uzethula mhlawumbe kuthiwa your performance sami usubmit ibio yakho. Kahle ngiyifunda nje ibio yakho khona lento ethi a multidisciplinary artist.
Yes.
Lokho kuveza ukuthi wena uyiciko elimakhono khona. Besides you having the ability to sing with this beautiful voice, iziphi izinto zaka-art ukuthi uyazenza?
Within the arts
for the benefits of the
abantu. Umculo njengoba sichazile. Kokunye Nkosi yami yabo izinto uyiqale ungayene cherish njengezinye mhlawumbe. Poetry is one of them. Music, dance nyana kodwa ngifana phela no studying ningangifanisi Nkosi yami lo ushayo zekhethe nani. But yes, it's poetry, it's music, it's dance, it's acting, it's writing, it's facilitate ezinye izinto are behind or rather mhlambe admin nyana of the arts. So zikhonyana Nkosi yami zimbalwana, voice over acting kuningana bakithi.
Yebo nje ngiyeza ko voice over acting abantu ngibatshelile ukuthi basazoshokhe ukuthi ubani lengikhuluma ngaye. And did you go to school to study for these things?
I did. Kwazi ukuthi ngiyayithanda idrama and ngifuna ukuyiphesiwa. Ngaqala lapha high school, Pansan Girls High School. Ngangifundiswa uMiss Brown. La sesimele sikhethe khona ka grade 9 yami ifunda. Ngabuthi ngiyayifunda physics. Ngathi hayi no. Ngiyafuna kona ukwenza izinto ezifana yabo no acting, into enobuciko phakathi. So angibona ukuthi physics izongisiza kangakanani yabo. So ngazenza zonke lezi eziqinile izifundo yabo life science nani yebo ngangiphakathi. But ke ngayithetha nedrama nayo ke ngayiqala from there. Continued going into a DUT Courtyard Eritson campus under Upholi Bugatti Lotre, who was an incredible bestsender kakhulu Nkosi yami ugogo wethu.
Is she still there?
She's no longer there. But yes, but still does. Kancane uyasiposta, kancane uyasitexta just to keep up ukuthi umuntu wenzani, and it's good Nkosi yami ukuthi umuntu had the privilege and honor ukuthi ayifundele into ayenzayo and not ukuthi nje yabo cause kuhle ukuthi ube netalente ube neskill and then ugcwalisa ulwazi lwakho lwalento oyifunayo by studying it further. So yes.
You mentioned Mrs. Brown
from
high school.
Miss Brown, yes.
Is she still
She's still yes.
When you graduated what in Egbon's wafunda wagrade ngempela.
Happy, proud ngami Nkosi yami. Ngitshaje ukuthi nje na izo sihlezi sikhuluma. The last project I think ngiyenze yami, I had told her ukuthi finally I was able to take the production ngiyenzayo to eMakhanda, which is a big platform for theater makers kakhulukazi. So she's very proud, she's very happy. Now she keeps me updated about her life because now usaqhubeka uyafundisa idrama ne performance studies.
From that era as a high school, you studying a Pinetown Girl and having to decide. Bakhona nami abantu enandicide nabuthi nongena drama bekhona baphi.
Hey, bakhona. Yo, okay. Awuthi ngibuyisa ingqondo. Bakhona.
Possibly who pursued drama professionally as you did.
Okay. Yo. Hi. Umbuzo wakho.
Shuthi wena wedwa nje wavele wa.
No, okay, sayifunda abanye sahlukana ngokuthi abanye baya ka mhlawumbe ka Howard KZN DUT after indlela engafani sayithatha. Abanye baqala bangaqeda, abanye baqala and then went into the direction of behind the scenes or in. So not all of us went into mhlawumbe performing it, abanye bago admin, abanye benza nani ka film in.
So uzama ungitshela ukuthi kwa drama ngale uthi nasibona umuntu esevele escreenini uma ufundile leshandisi ikhona ne aspect yaka admin edalisa umuntu avele nje phambi kwabantu
kuthini maningi amathuba abantu think ukuthi only masakhulu sithi ngifuna ukufaka TV ngifuna ukuact ngifuna ukuba stage, which is good and well because also into engithanda ngayo khulisa ne confidence yomuntu yabo as a person uthi noma umphambi kwabantu wenza ama presentation, the mere fact ukuthi ukwazi ukushaya monologue uqale futhi sonke kahle hle siyakwazi ukuact ngoba kwase ekoleni sashaya yabo ipitch lezi kuthiwa hamba phambili khuluma nathi yabo ubona ukuthi hey ngiyavevezela kodwa i-training leyo iyasiza. So there are a lot of different career paths or different roads to take within the arts. There's radio, there's music, the acting, the behind the scenes, the admin. Khona basebenza with the budget, the film, kuningi. Kuhle futhi ukuthi umuntu abe nalo ulwazi lwakho konke or as much as you can to pursue further and do more in the career of yona.
Mfethu abantu ngoba ngisho ukuthi ezinye zezinto nje uyayithatha uyibuke light lutha. Kuya-actwa kanti hey kuyasetshenzwa na into ebengifisa ukuyibuza nje ukuthi ena kule field yenu lena wena ngokwakho what is noma mhla udecide ukuthi wena ngifuna ukuyoqala manje ngi-act, was there support from back home ngoba nginayi i-experience nesitese ngahlangana nazo izitori zabantu abathi nje yena mhla decide into zaka art ekhaya kubo kwathi hey uyaka art mina nje ngomunye wabantu uthi ngisakhula ekhaya bonke babetshela ukuthi awuntoze uyofunda into no maths no physics nani because izona ifunda ngakhula ngiyifunda lezo. Everyone was so shocked ukuthi ngale ngafunda language mina university ngazo register language practice ngenza translation because they expected me and ekhaya bangisupport kodwa kwakukhona phela lokho ukuthi uzothola nomsebenzi so bengifisa ukuchecka leyo nto ukuthi your support system from back home because you have mentioned ugogo Debs things ugogo Mrs Brown. Those are external people whom you interacted nabo ngaphandle but the day you decided I want to pursue this career formally ekhaya kwakukanjani?
Ekhaya nginayo ngasho ukuthi ngeomunye wabantu ababe nenhlanhla to have i-support ekhaya. Uma ongizalayo fashion designer, usisi wami omdala, she's a fashion designer. Then kwafika mina ngithi ngifuna ukwenza idrama so akubanga into enzima kangako for uma uthi ayamkele coming from the art space naye herself. Uzwide kala ngomkhatsho akhatshe inkomo ezinje nesimaqhukumezana Nkosi yami. Hey Nkosi yami cha kwaba uzukuzu nokho kwaba hey seqamaqhuma sehla senyoka noshe. It's been a journey Nkosi yami uthi hey kubuye kujuleke mase ngiyicabanga le Nkosi yami ngoba akubanga lula akubanga lula angisho kanjani but it is good now lawo ma challenges that I faced because now angikhulisile ukuthi ngempela ngikwazi ukuthi into angibanga umuntu othi sometimes into eyenzeka I'm not ukuthi into embi kodwa sometimes sike siqale icareer ethile and then siye endleleni based on certain challenges.
Yes
ngathi nje awu la ngiyafuzula regardless of the challenges because enye into imali was a hindrance on top of ukuthi vele ubaba akayibonisisi and uyena okhokhayo yabo so actually yokuyenziwa yabo so kubile nengqinamba here and there umuntu wangaqeda ngesikhathi ubuthi okay ngiqalela senzo premium nyaka yami kodwa ngiqale lana 2015 2016 did my second year, then had a 2-year gap here because on top of the financial struggles, but now I used to say cha lento angazi noma uzama mhlawumbe uBrenda Fassie yini noma uLebo Mathosa, because unfortunately for the older generation mawuthi ngifuna ukuya kwezobuciko, especially the performance or being on stage, there's a certain outlook abanayo ukuthi kushuthi wena ufuna ukwenza lento yabo, kanti kosiyama kunjalo yabo. So sibile nakuthi hiqi mina naye, but overall the support has been really good. Naye wagcina wayibona ukuthi cha buyela mntanami ngiyayibona into uyayithanda, so yeah kubile kuhle.
So that 2-year gap was because of ubaba engaboni kahle hle
yeah bebu kahle hle yaqala kanje.
Yes,
yaqala kanje kwasuka
umnyombo.
There was a show that we were doing Nkosiyami ngimi ngendlela ethize ke mina. So kuleyo show ngangidlala umamfundisi ngifake ingubo emhlophe engitshengisayo nje ukuthi lo mamfundisi kanjani ngendlela enhle ehloniphekile futhi. So as the audience, because I must quite allow the audience to react, respond kanjani yabo. We appreciate whatever we get. So unfortunately ubaba kulezo ikhathi, I think it was mhlawumbe the second or third show as uyibuka yami, and le yam challenge ngoba khona ama comments ayewazwile ehleli audience ngoba khona nje insizwa engaphambi kwakhe nje eziloke ezincomile yabo. Ayi manje uyabona ayizide hano ayi na kuthi nqamqam ayimnandanga. So wathi cha mntanami unekhono kodwa ayi awubheke okunye, ngicale nje ukuthi uthi ukuhlala phansi nje ubucabanga ukuthi awufuni yini lo okunye Nkosi mawukuthanda ukupheka mhlawumbe hamba ka hospitality akude kangako yabona, noma wenze okunye kodwa lokho angiboni ukuthi kuzongisebenzela mina. Hey yabo kwaba into ukuthi okay 2 years ke lokho umuntu ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngenze okunye kodwa ngiyazazi ukuthi nginenkani. Number 1 nginenkani enhle kodwa ngalento engiyifunayo ngizoyithola futhi yabo. Be it ukuthi ngiqedela la or elsewhere ngamanye amandla, it's fine. Kwa 2 years loyo engawubonga futhi nami ukuthi ngawuthola wawungimnandi in the time because umuntu wagcina yabo uma usakhula futhi usamncane ubona ukuthi wonke umuntu impilo yabi iyaqhubeka yakho ngathi imile yabo, wacishe wacobhozeka lapha ko depression ubona ukuthi no ngithanda ukugowisha ke manje kodwa I did get isikhathi sokubonda futhi nokhulu wami osanda kushona. So I'm grateful also for the time that we spent together, noma ngithethisa ngeAfrikaans Nkosiyami edini but konke I feel ukuthi yonke into ayimane yenzeka, yonke into isebenzelana ibe ngokuhle because ngibuka also futhi engangihambisana nabo, there are certain levels of progress engangihambisana nabo 2015 2016 sengibuyela 2019 akufananga angibeka kanjalo. So where I am now mhlambe bengeke ngibe la if ngaqeda ngalesi sikhathi. So angikholwa ukuthi khona iphuthe lenzeka, angikholela ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyawenza amaphutha. So yonke into isuke iyenziwe ngendlela edesignwe, orchestrated ngendlela ekumele ikulungele vele.
Please repeat what you said Ela. Konke okuhle njani kodwa ishile emnandi lapha okuhle kuhambiselana u10.
Yes, yonke into uNkulunkulu uorchestrate uyidesign ngohlelo. There
is something you said like you're quoting a Bible verse.
Ngokusebenzelana kube ngokuhle.
Yeah. Yazi mfethu eminye imibuzo bengenayo ngalo 2 years nginakho ukuthi usuyiphenduphendule lo bengifisa ukubuza ukuthi emoyeni ke mfethu phela umuntu ekugcineni lempahla ekuphethe kanjani and mhlawumbe uxoxa noba khona labantu okukhuluma nabo ngasho ukuthi hey angiconfide kulo engangixoxa naye mfethu ngisupport ukhona yini.
Ngingasho ukuthi ukhulu wami noma sasinakho
mawuthi ukhulu ngizothi ukhula
no ukhulu umaka baba Nkosiyami ukhula sanda wakwaphi osanda kwenzani no ukhulu wami cha hayi wena ukhulu masokhulu bakithi because kwabanzima ukuthi okay ngaleso sikhathi futhi okay sikhule under a strict household awumane uyithole iphone yabo uyithola mawuseke uyisidingo. So ngifunde nje up to high school umuntu engana iphone ngaze ngayithola sengisevasithi nakhona ngoba kuyisidingo yabo kuyisidingo kufanele ukuthi ngibe nayo, but kuleso sikhathi I didn't have or angizange ngifune ukuthi mhlawumbe ngiconnect kakhulu nabantu abangaphandle because it would feel mhlambe sengathi kuyi burden kubona ukuthi ngizoloye ngizokhalaza yabo asikhalazi yeah so I had umndeni wami I had uma who was very supportive kodwa akhukazi nganginokhulu noma ngeke ngimdlalele kahle ngokuphelele nkosami kodwa ubone ukuthi khona ama life lessons esiwathola ngokuthi idlale lo mlabala besasudlala ethi awususe lo ubekeli la uyabona la sengizokuqhufuza mawuthi ubeka kanje bese sekuphuma isifundo futhi kuloko uyabo so konke ngibona ukuthi no man hayi angikho right yabo angikho right emotionally ngoba mawusuwedwa unfortunately imicabango lokhu uzindlile bese kuba sengathi no ayisekho inqubekela phambili la yabo ube nakho ukuthi no hayi shothi bekuyiphutha nami kuyiphesiwa ngisho nale career and then you question izinto eziningi existence yakho umuntu kanti inkulunkulu yonke le energy ngizoyisa ngoba ngeke ngiyaka 8 to 4 hayika angiyiboni mhlawumbe mase yabo qhuba iminyaka kodwa at that time bengithi I know akuyona impilo yami so akubanga lula and that 2 years umuntu esamile kancane kufundeni but futhi I did have isikhathi with family that I spoke to and it also brought us closer with ubaba after leso sikhathi because now he told me his fears because I think abazali kakhulukazi but they try to protect us from umhlaba and protect us from going through certain challenges kanti mhlambe ama method abo are not the ones but my intentions are always pure so I also got to understand ngifake ecathulweni zakhe njengomzali ukuthi okay mina mhlambe if benguyena mhlambe bengengenze ngalendlela kodwa ngiya understand ukuthi why ubenza lento ayenza so yeah
iyangijabulisa lento esho ayanda ukuthi ekugcineni naba nayo conversation nobaba wayiveza izathu zakhe zokuthi why protect ngalendlela le umuntu onomthetho
yes kakhulu I know Simba go kama lakhe nje uzwe lakhe isiphelele phela mase kwelakhe nje his way on the highway kuze kube manje kodwa ke we've learned to yabo
your siblings
yes
nibanga ekhaya
sibathathu sisomdala useshadile ukwakhe bese kube mina bese kube sesomncane Ngobile ayanda nomcebo
girls only
awuning
adopt kancane
zawoza
umazise
uyakwazi ucula
hayi somtrade ekhaya nonke niyahlabelela
sonke bakithi from baba ma sonke
so nje zikhona izikhathi nje onelawuzi devil leqala umunye acule ngale
kunalo omunye ngale njalo bakithi njalo size sihleke nathi hawo and sometimes akusafani ngoba phela ungqose waya kwakhe nani nami kuthiwa ukuthi ngila ngikhona so mase sibuya sonke kufuza hawo hey konje yakuba mnandi ihleze
kwakhe mawuthi ngila ngikhona la usuku usebenza khona noma nawe mawuthi phela uqala wathi ungqoba kwakhe mothi nangilangi
no kosam mina kahlehla kosam ngihlala esikhwameni impilo yami nje nginakho ukuthi ungangithola la hawusengile hawu kanjani so angeke ungiconfirm so ngila ngikhona ngaleso sikhathi ngikhona ngathi
la ngitholakala
kodwa indawo eziright
mhlawumbe bese ngifuna ukuphuma kancane ke bese sishiya lento le ngifisa mfethu ukuthi usukhulumile vele but what would be your advice to young women who wanna pursue mhlawumbe i-career noma yipi ke career kodwa zoba nento ezothi mhlawumbe njenge case yakho umzali uzoba overprotective what would you say to these young women or young people about chasing their dreams and having it possibly to convince your parents ukuthi babone ngale ndlela obona ngayo because you are living proof ukuthi ukhulu uthanda into umzali ogcina ekuprotect ngoba ebona ngathi and angiphiki uma sihlehla sibuyele emuva sibuka ihistory yaka art yakhulukazi nje futhi ka acting naka music and what happened to women previously nento ebeyiduma bebhalwe emaphepheni kwenzakalani kokunye anginakho ukuthi angimsoli umzali but ungathini kubazali ungathini futhi enganeni
Mkhulu kakhulu lo mbuzo. And angeke mhlawumbe i-advice yami angeke ibe applicable kuwo wonke umuntu ngoba izimo zethu ayifani. Asiphumi futhi kwamakhaya afanayo. But for me, I would say into eyangisiza mina is the communicating ukuthi lokhu after yonke emotion yenzeka lokhu ngikuthandisa A B and C angikuthandi i1 2 and 3 and sometimes umzali doesn't leave that room. So into before ngize ngikwazi ukuthi ngikhulume naye ngihlaye phansi naye ezwethu kwayinto ukuthi ngambhalela incwadi ngayislide underneath lo isitapa sakhe camera ngiyazi ukuthi angeke abe lento yokuthi akayibonanga yabo because mawuthi ngiyayiphawula hlapha ngasho ukuthi angifuneki ukuzwa lutho kodwa mayifunde phansi angaba hlapha into sense of understanding. So I think communicated well also ne approach ibaleke kakhulu ukuthi uza kanjani komuntu kakhulukazi komzali ukuthi
incwadi wayifaka nini kulo 2 years lo
kuwo lo 2 years
ngonyaka oqala noma
wesibili oqala ngangisagrowing ngangithi hayi angikuthanda ngikufuna and then ngathi no shem Nkosi yami so inhliziyo yami ngikhumbule phela imininingane so kunyaka wesibili
ngikhumbule phela imininingane
ngayishutheka ke le yancwadi ke after leyo 2 years kwakuyena ke oseza kumina uthi no ngiyayizwa iside oqhamuka kuyona. So I think the communicating it well
yaxolo ukuphazamisa ekuthubeleni kwakhe incwadi phansi komnyango kwamthatha iperiod engakanani bamnquma lithabuyele kwena
waphela 3 months kwakusengathi ngiyokhonga eloke nje eloke ngibuka ngibuza mhlawumbe ingene nezibi mhlawumbe isemgqomeni akayibona kuyibona kwaphela nje 3 months Nkosi yami wayeseza kumina futhi washo ukuthi cha ngizwile isicelo sakho ngiyasamkela ngathi hawu ngadla mina so yes I think kakhulukazi nje it's understanding ama background ethu because ezinye izinto asikwazi ukuyiphoqelela sazi ukuthi ikhaya lami likanjani and then understanding umzali and then asking them also ukuthi now back understand ukuthi ufisani nempilo yakho. Into engayithanda ngobaba ukuthi wakuphawula ukuthi I cannot hinder ukuthi ushadela kuphi nanokuthi i-career path yakho yini because those are things you have to live with and decide for yourself forever. So uma ukuthi mina ngima endleleni yakho for that ngiyobe sengiyona phambi kwakho naphambi kaNkulunkulu. So kwahlala kumina lokho ukuthi yebo saba nakho lokho kodwa wabuyela futhi kulawo mazwi akhe.
Baba umfundisi
akayena aske siphuza amanzi
ulo wamdefender kubaba mangibuza ukuthi mina ubaba ngabe umfundisi yini
akayena umfundisi kodwa ngeke ngamdefend phela ubaba wami
uyamchaza babunqumala straight right uyazi nje mfethu ukuba umzali emfethu into ejule kakhulu le first things first uthenjwe uNkulunkulu wena umphefumulo wakhe oyingane okufanele unakekele wena futhi umdala usuhambe eqala la emhlabeni wabona so la khamba kube kanje la kunameva la kubuye kube isikhotha la kube kanje sometimes uyazama ukuyibonisa ingane othi ingane ufuna ukubona ngamehlayo yabo ezinye mfethu igcina idlebeleke ingane seziba yini niphume ezibaleke ngoba ngenxa ukuthi ayi mina ngeke ngizwe ngoba awumunye umuntu phela egcina emzonda umzali kodwa kuyangijabulisa ukuthi lento iveza ukuthi ubaba wabuye wabuka bona ukuthi wakuvezela ama intentions akhe nawe futhi wabona ukuthi hayi ubaba bengenacala mfethu mina ngikwazi wena bengasuka ukuthi baba kho umfundisi ekhakini ubani wakhe owan introduce ekholweni enkonzweni
ngingasho sibona abazali yes sikhule nje enkolweni sindisiwe yabo so akukho okungesikwazi and kuyangijabulisa lokho because kuyayinika ne structure yempilo ne direction also because mawungekho lutho okholelwa kona ngikholelwa ilokho mawungekho lutho okholelwa kona be it whatever religion or whatever culture tradition impilo yakho ayi khona izinto engahlangani kahle khona izinto ezinganasi structure because awuna into points to a certain direction impilo yakho so
lo wena ngisho namhlanje ngikhathi ngicela ngithi ngicela uthuze la Ngazathi hayi kulo Sunday bese ubatshela usontweni baxolele.
Washajalo ngathi
Ngoba yamaza awuphuthi.
Khaya la bakithi.
For interest sake.
Yes.
Futhi umention nePinetown kuphi ekhayeni?
KuKasante.
Oh, wena wasethi wala eThekwini.
Ngiyona eThekwini kuze anginamakhaya ngiyawafisa abantu bahlezi bethi kanjani one day. One day.
Wena nje wala wena.
Yeah.
Bengazi nokuthi wafunda Pinetown Girls.
Yeah, PGHS.
And ilento mfethu you mentioned indaba yakhe voice over.
Yes.
Into enibeni train yona lapha drum.
Sayifundela nayo, sayifunda radio acting nje in front of camera, yes okweyitori. So manizwa nje hawu uGondi noMazi. Sizifunda zonke lezo zinto having to do voice over for TV, for radio, izinto ezahlukahlukene. So umuntu waba ne privilege ukuthi into ayifundile wakwazi ukuthi ayipractice ayi-apply in real life.
Lapha ya la yena nifunda khona.
Yeah.
Ikuphi line le ndawo leyo mase nifundile bese niyenza khona imicimbi. Yawenza khona imicimbi la eDUT. La yenza khona ama show wenu live.
Khona within DUT ikuse courtyard. Yes, courtyard yes.
Nibizwa ngani nina?
Sibizwa
abantu balapha nikhona igama eli collective enibizwa ngani?
Thespians is a famous word. Yeah. Theater practitioners.
Theater practitioners. Khona omunye umngane wami uDokotela uNgedi, soon to be prof from UKZN. Wafunda eDUT naye. uDr Ndumiso Dalo Xolo. Ubhale kuFacebook ukuthi usezokhathala manje othisha ucela beyiyeke lento yokuyibiza ngama pedagogical practitioners. Wathi ngizosuke ngithi unpack leyo nto
bese ngekuzwana ke manje.
Pedagogical practitioners. I know a lot of people who come from courtyard.
Yes.
Bakhona nabantu ofunde kanye nabo nginoma ngekhatha ezodwa asebe ku mainstream media o TV ongangenzela abangezempulu ngabo uthi lo nalo
baningi
mhlawumbe abanye abantu bazoba recognize mongababiza ngamagama ama character
okay angimuhle nkosami ukuthi ngizozama oqala ngisho ukuthi uhlala phi ngiyadlala makhelwane wami kodwa lapha waziwa Mthemkosi Mthembu uZidane omunye ukwenza Ngcobo omunye singafundanga naye idrama la eDUT but who is doing very well. She did The Wife, she did a couple of shows on TV, Umbali. Sasina Pinetown Girls.
Yes. So, nafunda nonke
noma. Safunda sonke.
Uyamkhumbula high school?
Ngiyamkhumbula high school, yes. Sasingekho that close kodwa ngiyamkhumbula high school. So it was beautiful. It's also nice umuntu ombonayo ukuthi okay, they're doing well in the stream, they're doing well. Hlezi kunenceso ukuthi ngiphume kwiphuzu leli. But hlezi kuba nezi kulumo or ama challenges ukuthi how do people feel ukuthi mhlawumbe mawuyifundele ilinye into and then ubona omunye umuntu who didn't, how does that make you feel?
I had that question here.
Cabang. But I don't think it's fair ukuthi thina singasho ukuthi kuyahluka obviously, but I don't think it's fair ukuthi singathi i-destiny yomuntu was not supposed to be A, B and C because of certain things ukuthi because akakwazanga mhlawumbe ukuthi athole ithuba lokuthi ayifundele lento. Does that not mean they are not worthy of ukuthi ayoyenza lento ayenzayo? Ukuthi uyenza kahle noma akuyenze kahle enye topic le. But I don't think ukuthi it is kuyasinika i-right thina njengabantu ukuthi so ngoba ube nkosami yini lento yamanje mawuthoko social media umuhle uyi-influencer kuqiqisa simbona kwi-TV if kuukuthi bekumele kwenzeke kanjalo kuwenzekile yabo. So I don't think ukuthi mina ngokwami angiboni kuzongisiza futhi mina ngane ukuthi ngithi ngiyawustarting ngiyagijima ko Showmax thina kungisiza ngani angiboni ukuthi angibenefits lutho ngalokho. Ngiyazi ukuthi mina ngesikhathi sami ngizoblosoma ngale ndlela futhi ngizoblosoma ngayo. uNkulunkulu akawenzi amaphutha.
So long as you put in the work
bese
usebenze. Yona ke ngengiqamba manje ikhona leyo mpe khona yabantu abama influencer and uma sibuka umhlaba ngendlela eyiyona manje ama-brand asebenza ngey'namba.
That's true.
Yabo, ama-brand asebenza ngey'namba. Although phela there are cases where ubona khona ukuthi okay unazo iy'namba lo.
Kodwa I know ziningi futhi lezo yabo. Angeke we won't shy away. Kuyenzeka. Kodwa sithule siyabuka.
Sithule siyabuka. Ilokhuzana mfethu i-art yakho. It has taken you to places.
It has.
Usuyaka ngaphesheya.
Fana
ungibalela ungijethi ngaya la ngalonyaka ngaya la ngalonyaka.
Ngaba ne luck lenhlanhla ne opportunity ukuthi ngeke kokuqala uba okay angiqale la lo mntanami lo mntanami lo
ngithi ngiyeza nje ukukhamba
ukuthi ngifuna ungidlalela ukuthi kwaqala kanjani nkosiyami lo mntanami lo uKhamde Boo. It's a story I wrote 2018 2019 but singakavuthisisisi kahle hle. And then I got to stage it for the first time with the help of uKholeka Phuthuma, incredible mentor. eKapa, we staged it at Baxter Theatre for the first time, full house. I was Cape Town. And I was like, so I got staged there for the first time. Did a very successful big show at Bat Center, the Bat Center. And then Yabuya has a playhouse also. So after that show, from Pesheya, Betty, we would like you to join 2911. It is a music group. So what so umuntu went abroad in Minnesota.
It is in the USA.
In the USA. Minnesota, Minneapolis. That's how they say it. Minnesota for a period of 4 months. Which was alukho futhi starring alukho futhi ngangekukhumbula ukudla kwasekhaya into that's another thing was you learn to appreciate izinto zasekhaya mawusu travelisha ukudla was the first thing ngayi observe ukuthi cha ngiyakhumbula nkosi yama amasi ethu yabo izinto ezikanjalo nezinto ezilula ukuthi sathenga into engihlekisa sathenga ulettuce kwiviki lokuqala sifikile awubunanga saze sahamba 4 months later. So yabona usiyabona ama preservatives afakwayo cha impela cha
ngempela
cha no bayenza into abayenzayo. So kokunye uyagada uthi okay angena umuntu ukuthi ngishaya ama diet kodwa la ngiyayikhetha into engidlayo because awukwazi ukumane nje ufake nemayini. So that was the first time. It was in 2022 ngiya Minnesota. Went again 2022 twice, 2023 twice. I also went to Brazil with a beautiful group called Lutando Arts Academy.
Yes.
It is a music and dance piece that they were doing called Amawethu. So we went to perform Go St. Paul, Rio de Janeiro. It was beautiful. It's beautiful. Ngaya ngathi nje istipend sam ngiya naso lapha ngiyobona ubaba but yes, it was beautiful experiences. Beautiful experiences.
Through your art, in fact.
Through the arts.
Be passportically busy.
Kambi. Umuntu says uno 10 year in and out. Yeah, it's all privileges of being in the arts.
What do you prefer between the theater and the screen?
Unganyenzi njalo.
What do you prefer?
My first love, even now I still love the theater. Unfortunately, it does not have as much noise as screen because screen has a lot more audience, screen has a lot more income. So obviously screen wins the hearts of people. Yes. Theater is authentic, man. Theater uhleli nabantu kanje niyafilana audience yenu that energy you can't fool your audience also. So imnandi intimate, I love it. Ukube ngiyakwazi ngabe ngithi yonke imali yaka art ayiseka theater. Because and our stories are rich as I'm a theater practitioners. Go TV kuhle, but sometimes ukubona ukuthi story sala uyasibona futhi nangala kube sengathi manje sekukuningi yabo sekunento etrenda ukuthi ama storyline asecisha afana yabo
futhi waqala enye into ngibona nangendlela izitori zamanje eqanjwa ngayo amagama khona wonke ayafana
feli
benga ngesizulu balisho nangesingisi mhlawumbe uzofo lezi izitori phela ngifuna ukuba ngathi ngikhuluma
kube sengathi manje
kodwa nje kufike kuthiwa nje izulu the heaven
yeah kuthile yeah
sengibuka nje iphethe izinto ezifanayo and one thing I normally do mina ngiyena kumuntu we-TV kakhulu
siyafana
ngibuka nje phethe TV kodwa ngiyangibe interested uma ngibona kune story estrendayo ngiyobuka lapha ama credit uthi ubani executive producer ubani writer la there are lots of things I critique me even ama translations lapha
yeah
zonke lesto ngiyayinaka ngoba phela egcineni nami ngwaka art lo mbuzo wongisa la is there an element or have you ever experienced gatekeeping angawubuza lo mbuzo bafana is there an element of gatekeeping in this field of yours or
there is a lot of gatekeeping within the industry have I experienced it yes yes unfortunately angithandi sisibakithi ukuloyo ngixila ke but yeah umuntu has experienced it also sometimes abantu look at into yokuthi mhlambe awunayo agency yabo anginayo mina agency so bathi okay lo singamanipulate
umuntu ongazi uthi ini agency
i-agency nkosami ila abantu abaningi who are within the industry, especially if they want to go into film and TV, they have agencies and there's a couple of good ones.
Abantu ababamele.
Yes, abantu ababamele ukuthi they can get them jobs.
Oh yeah.
Get them on screen and then they take a certain percentage of umholo so that's how they get their jobs on screen. So because angixilanga on screen angakafuni or angakazwisisi umuzwa ukuthi angibe nayo agency. So there was a time la umuntu was doing voice what is this music background music for a certain show Yago TV ngabona ukuthi okay le
yiphi
ileyana
ufuna abavanzi uthi wena lo
uhlabelela kwakuyivulavala Black Brain so kwakuyi-Black Brain the show was ivulavala I was doing the music corner with also the incredible voice Ukoko Madlala. Powerhouse. So it was a great opportunity, but nalapho uyabona ukuthi okay, shuthi la lo producer lo usenza somehow because of ukuthi unayo agency ngayibona lento ukuthi okay inhle yimbi yabo inhle yimbi because now there's a certain manipulation that they use it as a weapon ukuthi okay mhlawumbe iholo lakho belizuthi kodwa manje ngoba sikhuluma nawe direct awunawo umuntu owumeli sesingenza noma kanjani yabo so ibe nokumanipulate kakhulu than it was gatekeeping but also in the theater also which was a funny one ukuthi angithi in my knowledge abekho abesifazane abande kangaka eThekwini who have done ama one-handers abantu abamnyama so nangu nkosiyami one-hander ngiyabonga umfuzo omuhle lo i-one-hander is a show that you do wedwa on stage and you're performing as wedwa so it was almost an hour show yona le Kamdibu ngisando kuyiletha ngala eThekwini kwaba khona a lot of male voices abethi lengane wenzani manje Mazudi awufuni sikulekelele letha ngikuproducele letha yabo ngibe nesandla ukuthi lento yakho ithi ikuhlonipheka ngoba siyayisaba manje uzosiphana yabo kwangquzela lokho even more ukuthi I need to prove myself even kunina I didn't think I'd have to prove myself going unfortunately I have to ngoba we are in ngibengithi dlalela iteam eyodwa because we're in the arts so I thought you had my back so mase kuwena futhi oza kumina uthi hawu hey yabo so kwaba nento ukuthi okay lento ehlezi ishiya ukuthi abantu besifazane kuba nayo ukuthi babukelwa sengathi inkosi yami shem yabo ngayi experience lapho with big names angithandi angeke nje
abangingalo bangasafuna ukuba
no
kantiboyeka kanjani maningafuna
abanye abasekho inkosi yami emhlabeni so I just would like to honor that memory abaphumule inkosi yami ngazi umuntu athi lapha So that is inspiring me more to work harder and building that brand ngithi ngiyayakha for myself. So yeah, Shem. Yeah.
Now the interesting question.
Yes.
In Kamdepu.
Yeah.
The words sound so nice. That's why.
Kamdepu. I love it so much. Kamdepu is a one-hander show currently. Is a one-hander show that traces the life journey or looks at takes elements of your life journey ka Sarah Batman. So akakwazanga uyi-advocate-ela, akakwazanga
Please tell
uyimela.
people who Sarah Batman. I know Sarah Batman.
Sarah Batman is me. Ngiyadlala. Sarah Batman was a woman from the 1600s. Was out of by
A black woman.
a black woman, a koi black woman, or Amy Kanji, who was taken abroad because of her features by Abelu. Frenchmen, they were like, "Ooh, we want that." So Watatwa, without permission, and basically they used her, they raped her, they put her in a cage. She was put in museums. Because of umzimba wakho ukuthi babengayazi into entsha kubona lena, so into ongayazi uba fascinated. So Nkosi yami waphila nje leyo mpilo phesheya for a long time. Bemdlwengula benzani bethatha ithombe until she passed away. And only in the 21st century was amathambo akhe abuyiswa, which is very unfortunate. So you can't be laid within your home ground, and it takes so many centuries. So I was trying to tell a story because I think wonke umuntu oswazana, regardless of race, can relate somehow with story Sarah Batman, be it emotionally, physically, whatever. So akakwazanga uyi-advocate-ela. I love telling the stories that have no voice, so to speak. And the historic stories are they speak volumes. Yeah, because it forms part of who we are, not abantu. So I also told the story because nam ngiyarelate kakhulu Nkosi yami. So njengomuntu osifazane ngakhe ngalendlela engakhe ngayo starting. So mina no Sarah yabo siyimbumba. So the story is told through music, poetry, dance, storytelling, in a band of indigenous instruments, which is also another thing I like because it sound yet in Africa. Yabo. So into ukuthi ijembe edlalayo, kudlala okay skiing, yes, but it also has elements of how we play umaskandi and other indigenous instruments. So I've had the privilege of doing the show, even Asemakhanda this year, which is a dream I've been wanting to. And it did this year. I was so grateful. Inkulu.
Mfethu abantu abazi contact with Makhanda Art Festival back in the days between Grahamstown Arts Festival. We used to go there. Duty esikhokhela SRC ngaphansi kwaliphi office cool kuthiwa yini student governance.
Yes.
They would pay for us abantu baka art, abantu baka drama, abantu abafuna ukuhamba mhlawumbe sibaba u40 50 singene ebhasini. They paid for our transport, they paid for indawo yokuhlala, sabe isonto lonke sobuka iart siyaperforma imnandi la Shandisi. And that is why I got to see ukuthi umuntu uma wasambona ku-TV awuqala wenza uphenyo ungayintshethu uyahlupheka kenze lutho. Those people are working, benza ama-show lawo washo ama-one hander, base-theatre abantu bayasebenza. I saw a lot of people lapha ngathi umqondo wami ngasho ukuthi wavuleka lapha, and you uthi uzobe ne-show lapha hayi ngeke esandleni baba liqhamuka kanjani leli gama lithi Kamdepu?
Kamdepu
Kuthiwa i-etiology, umsuka wegama.
Umsuka wegama. Ngoba phela wenza ilanguage Nkosi yami. La ngibindeka khona uyoqedela ngoba phela ilanguage into zakho. But Kamdepu is ngasho ukuthi la ayesuka khona uSarah Batman. It's Eastern Cape before it was known as Eastern Cape. The parts la ayehlala khona. Kamdepu is described as a green hollow area. But I found it significant ukuthi yabo sometimes uba nasi story or uba nayo into but awuyazi ukuthi mase ngiyiqamba what would be isindo into that will sum up the whole story. So I think Kamdip, we just felt like the right thing. The story of setup, but I'm like, nah, it's not gonna do justice. Also, there's different ways and in which the story has been told. So it's just like, I hope Kamdip does justice to the story that I'm trying to portray Kubantu, and I do believe it is.
So, mhlawumbe umbuzo ogcina ngoKamdip, out of everything asiyenza ngalile manje, yini osayifisa ngale Shandisi yakho?
International ground.
Wow.
It might
end overseas.
Overseas. Into engishisa lokhu. Ngifuna bona laba abamthatha uSara. Bayibone the interpretation of what they did. I liked how the audience eningi lapha eMakhanda was abelungu.
Yes.
Europeans mostly. And we did interviews with them and they expressed it gave them fresh perspective. That's how impilo yakhe was probably challenges ayo, but also it gave them insight yomuntu omnyama. Yabo. So uyibile inhle ukuthi bona futhi bakwazi ukuthi bafike bazoyibuka bazolile esikanandi mabeyibona lento le mayethi stop beqhube ukuthi akuwona lo no ethi yeka we lo no ukuthi phuma kumina yabo. So I do want it to explore international ground for the work to be known, but also for it to be a lesson.
Yes.
Because I think it's an international story. The mere fact that wasuswa la wayiswale already waba international. So the story must do the same.
Are there no other renditions of the same?
There are many. There are many.
Oh, akihluke kanjani kunamanye?
Eyami it's a one-hander.
Okay.
Umuntu wesifazane oyedwa also stage on the whole story, which is not easy because like you need to be really captivating.
Yes.
Starting hour long uzongibuka uzokhokha mhlawumbe 250 yabo. So it's sakho imali yakho la ngithi nje I need to make your time and pocket worthwhile.
Yes.
So I think the way engichaza ngayo le ngoma nje engiqale ngayo
ngizosho ukuthi ukhona ubudlelwano
le ngoma engiqale ngayo ikhona within there. So it is Sarah crying out ukuthi musa nje ukungibuka ngalamehlo ngibuka ngayo, it's only a fraction of me uthi ubona izitho zami noma amabele ami ngimuhle yebo, but it's only a fraction of me as umqondo wami as umoya wami as all of me before you define me by just a fraction of who I am. So it has music, it has the poetry, it has nice elements that it plays with. It even traces ukuthi ubenjani mhlambe as intombazana inyane encane, because isixela kakhulu ukuthi ubenjani mase yiswe phesheya yabo, asazi ukuthi as intombazana ubenjani uke wajola yini.
You did so much research.
I had to because there has to be justice that's done to the story yabo, asikwazi nje ukuthi sikhele phezulu. So ihluke ngokuthi angeke inkosi yami ithole noma ngifika kanjani. Yes, imnandi.
You are going to go overseas. The universe is listening.
Yes sir, thank you. I receive.
Recently on your TikTok you are busy with something my voice of.
Yes.
Yini lo yenza kulezi stories zamanje?
Rita sisi. Yenza lapha
abantu bayazi ukuthi uyeke lo ngathi ngifike ekhaya babuka iTV oma abahleli phambi kweTV abafuna ukusuka lo sisi wami nabashana
and ake kuyithole remote
abafuna ukusuka bangebona yibo amandiya la wathi manje akhuluma isiZulu kwenzakalani la nebayibuka le Shandisi lela abantu la lalela
ake ngiqale nje ngibonge kubantu isupport abasinika yona nkosi bengazi nami nkosi ngafaka nje ku TikTok ngathi angibatshengise ubuso behind that voice edlalwa uRita kwi show le kuthiwa Onesipho nangu kuRita nkosi abantu abangifuni hawu aya ningifuni starting kubhlungu kuyaziwela yazi uzubaleke live ubona uthi ayibo nanga uyena however uyena, but it's beautiful ukuthi umuntu got the advantage of also exploring that. I got into it through a friend khona okwishow okuthi uShamshe, character name yakhe uShamshe. sasinayo sasenza ishow ekuthiwa Inandi the Musical.
Yes.
So ngamazi through that ke, and then washo ukuthi there's ivoice lapha edingakalayo. Hayi ngaya nami njengezinye izingane ngathi cha ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngingaba yile voice enidinga kwathiwa nje say no more hlala phezulu kwayo bathanda ke into engiyenzayo kwaqala
Le
kanjani.
energy phela wabalethela yona.
No, unandi. So kwaqala kanjalo ke kwaba into ukuthi ke ngiyayiposta ke nje abantu sebazi ke sengicelwa left right and said sicela uNayam sicela uKithi sicela lona lapho asazana nokwazana Nkosi yami. That's the beautiful thing ukuthi there's many studios many times esingena kuyimanje ngiyakhona kodwa kuhle ukuthi abantu are appreciating the show ngalendlela bayi appreciate ngayo.
Yangichaza lento eyisho ukuthi abantu sebeyarecognize endleleni emgwaqweni from TikTok.
Oh,
That's beautiful.
From TikTok.
So namhlanje usayo
Ngisaya nje ngiyowenza njalo. Yeah.
Enye into ke bengisafisa ukuyithola ukuthi ngale ka Camdeb uyazi le gama limnanje le Camdeb. And all I see
Ulisho kahle abanye bathi Camdeb uthi cha ungayisho ngomnyama.
Camdeb. Is there anything you're working on?
There's a few projects. Others are collaborating with other people. Gonna be starting tomorrow another show. Working with Babu Jeripoa that'll be staged month end at Playhouse. Umutu will also have the privilege of going again in Brazil for the same show that we went to. Miyama way to in Kule. Now we're cool.
Passport.
That's a previous. So there's a few projects that are lined up for the year, and yeah.
Busy. Ngoba ngisho nje mfethu ungaphela amandla mfethu ayanda shaya lezi shani zakho umemeze laphana bakuzonda kodwa phela
kuyasetshenzwa
kugcina bona bazonda i-character laphana kodwa phela kumnandi lokho nje mfethu abantu bebe invested entweni yabo ngikhumbula nje kudala uLosisi lo kuthiwa ukhethiwe
yebo
wayidlala ku-Generations.
Yes.
Uwina intshaba mangaphosisi wakwaba ne-incident nje la sisi xa somuntu emall thizeni based on into eyenza ngestory ila wabona context aningi usafanele sikufundise nje abantu.
Yeah, true.
Excuse me, there's one guy no futhi engifuna ukumusho nawe uyavela ku TV. Ngimazi nje futhi esayihlanganisela lo mjito okwavela kuzalo for iperiod ende and i-stories focus again. Sakwenye workshop umfethu umjito eveza ukuthi yazi ukubuhlungu kanjani ukuthi ngisuke ekhaya ngigibela itaxi ngizela endleleni yawenza ama remarks abantu bethe sigibela nayo itaxi lo abantu asumthi mawavela ku TV nje hayi fanele udrive i-Porsche usunemali manje leyo nto yak-affect.
Hey bakithi yeah kona akulula bakithi kona noma ngingakazi ngiyithola i-comment uthi how sagibela nawe manje yabo but also I think kuya ngokuthi umuntu kanjani abanye abantu iyaba overwhelma ama comments kanjalo ubona ukuthi yabo imali yami sizophela ko ubhake manje ngoba manje anginamoto angikwazi ukuthi ngibonakala ngigibele taxi yabo but also I think kuyakusiza ukuthi umuntu because abantu you can't confirm ukuthi umuntu kanjani sabantu ekugcineni kosuku sizohethana semhlabeni and kakhulukazi with social media people have will to ukuthi baphawule nanomi kanjani akhona ama comments obona ukuthi they rub you off the wrong way but how you come back from that is what matters kakhulu so yeah shem yeah
ukhona into ongafuna ukuthi ngithi thasa ngayo
awuthi ngikuphe okunye khona abantu mlangathi khona uyabuya uCamdeb uthi cha empela awuthi singaphuthela I will be sharing poetry siyaphilisa inkonzo
yebo
that is in the production Camdeb. We are scared human beings traveling through the dark woods, cut by the pieces of branches falling to the ground. Our souls are wounded. Blisters are formed around the edges of our hearts. We carry hurt with us. Dress in discomfort and do walks of shame. We're not pretty when we cry. We're expressing that raw feeling of pain, anguish, uncertainty. We give praise to our fears like they map out our destiny. We embrace death like our best friend. We're a wounded body, missing some parts, lost in the war of grief. Onendlebe, Magezi.
Serious never come to.
Yeah.
Serious never come to. There's something you say about the heart and the blisters. Serious never come to. Serious never come to. Konke ngiyithandayo nga-and kuyasho mfethu ukuthi uyi-thespian. Ngisho uyabona your delivery even when you recite poetry, the emotions, the expressions, the way you even some people go on stage and stand. Actually into ayisho yabo wena mfethu yabo yabonakala uthi hayi ngeke ine class
Danke.
No mfethu ngiyabonga kakhulu izinqunywa emakhanda yiyekho and I'm grateful ukuthi mfethu ukhanda isikhathi uza la ngikunenge uzolobe ngisho esontweni.
Kusiyami.
Uze mfethu ngabatshela hayi awuxolise mfethu okwanamhlanje kuphela.
Okwanamhlanje.
I really appreciate lokho mfethu ukuthatha isikhathi sakhe and appreciate the work that you do.
Thank you.
Wena ngikwazi mina usafunda nisafake ingubo ezimnyama nehla nenyuka niyongena lapha futhi uka namhlanje ngibuya ko Brazil. Abantu bakuthola kanjani ku social media?
Abantu bangangithola Facebook Ayanda Nxumalo, Instagram @Ayanda Nxumalo, TikTok ngoba siyaphila nakuona Ayanda Nxumalo. Angikamuhle kakhulu angiboni futhi ngizoba muhle lapha ko Twitter. So just ngama lapho na ku YouTube Ayanda Nxumalo. Siyabonga.
I would encourage people to go to your TikTok account so that they get to see the work.
Yes.
Lemsebenzi wenza lapha. TikTok is a very great platform.
It is.
Yeah, ngisho ukuthi kuya ngawo wena usebenza kanjani futhi noma uyobuka kona so ukhethe kuyobuka in. No sabonga kakhulu mfethu uzivakashela bekumnandi indawo. Ngiyazi ukuthi mawusubuya phesheya usuyendlile one hander yakho uphinde ubuye futhi uzoxoxela. Mawuthi futhi uyabona le one hander mawenza uyafuna umuntu ozohamba naye azofika ku interview phambi kwalabo laba sikhona khula.com/icommerce. No sabonga kakhulu mfethu, thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, asking questions. If you feel like there's an artist you want us to call ongafisa ukuthi suggest, you are always open. Sabonga kakhulu ke bafethu uhleli inkonzo ziyaphilisa abadidiyeli lapho ngemuva Chayile Media, Khula Sande, uScott Dlamuka and yours truly mina ngina
Hayibo
umethuli weinhlelo.
That's
Sabonga kakhulu noma sebekuphikisa kuzobatshela ukuthi inkonzo ziyaphilisa.
Izinkonzo ziyaphilisa.